Naughty. Nozo. Nozo. Naughty. Nozo. Alright, go get it. Go get it. Oops. Zoe, come back. Come back. Zoe, come back. Look. Look. There's a bone. I found a bone. Maddie. Zoe, you're supposed to bring it back so we can play. Give it to Mama. Give it to Mama. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Zoe. Zoe. Here. Alright. Here we go. Alrighty. Zoe has the bone. She traded. Didn't you, Zoe? You traded. You traded. Alright. Who's gonna get it? Who got it? Uh-oh. Zoe got it. She's gonna share. You gonna share, Zoe? You gonna share it with your sister? Get it. Get it, Maddie. Get it, Maddie. Zoe, how come she's the bigger Maddie? Oh, good girl, Maddie. You got it. You snuck it away. All right. Alright, this is the last throw. My sister says my movies are boring. Good throw. Well, maybe it's not the last one. Oh, yes, Maddie. Thank you. You're such a good girl. You play so nicely. What would I do without you? Oh, here we go again. There we go. I think your sister gave up. I think she's tired of the game. Alright. That's all, folks. That's all, folks. What? 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 Did you want me to throw it? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. Alright, one more time. One more time. Just because you said that so nicely. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Where'd it go?